Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 77. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. It is due to option A, setae, option B, coelomic fluid, option C, blood, or option D, gut peristalsis. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during the process of burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. This anterior end becoming turgid is due to. Correct answer is option B, coelomic fluid. Question number 91. Select the wrong statement. Option A. Mosaic disease of tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. Option B. Viroids were discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. Option C. W.M. Stanley showed viruses could be crystallized. Option D. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bejernickia. Wrong statement. Select the wrong statement. Answer is option B is wrong. Viroids were not discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. It was discovered by Theo Diner. Question number 91. Select the wrong statement. Option A. Mosaic disease of tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. Option B. Viroids were discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. Option C. W.M. Stanley showed viruses could be crystallized. Option D. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bejernickia. Wrong statement. Select the wrong statement. Answer is option B is wrong. Viroids were not discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. It was discovered by Theo Diner. Question number 51. Mannitol is the stored food in option A. Porphyra, option B. Fucus, option C. Gracilaria, or option D. Chera. Mannitol is the stored food in. The correct answer is option B, that is fucus. Mannitol is the stored food in Phaeophyceae, that is the brown algae, and fucus is an example of brown algae. Porphyra and Gracilaria are examples of red algae, and Chera is an example of green algae. Question number 71. Circulatory system is present in option A. Ascalhelminthes, option B. Annelida, option C. Coelentrates, or option D. Platyhelminthes. Circulatory system is present in. Correct answer is option B. Annelid. From Annelid onwards, every phylum has a circulatory system. Question number 99. Ctenophora have which level of organization? Cellular level, tissue level, organ system level. Ctenophora has which level of organization? The correct answer is option B, that is tissue level. Question number 95. Which one of the following fruits is parthenocarpic? Banana, brinjal, apple, jackfruit. Parthenocarpic fruit. The correct answer is option A, banana. Question number 95. Which one of following is the correct difference between rods and cone cells of our retina? Distribution. Rods are more concentrated in the center of retina. Cones are distributed all over the retina. You have to find the correct difference. Visual acuity, high for rods, low for cones. Visual pigment, iodopsin for rods, rhodopsin for cones. Overall function, rods, vision in poor light, cones, color vision and detailed vision in bright light. So the correct difference is the fourth one, overall function. The rods is concerned with the scotopic vision, night vision, and cones is concerned with the photopic vision, that is the daytime vision. Question number 62. Which has the additional X chromosome? Additional X chromosome. Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, super female, or Downs syndrome. Additional X. The correct answer is option B. In Klinefelter syndrome, there is an additional X chromosome. And what does the genetic formula become? 44 plus XXY. Question number 98. Which of following statement is not correct? Goblet cells are present in mucosa of intestine and secrete mucus. Oxyntic cells is present in mucosa of stomach and secrete HCl. Acini is present in pancreas and secrete carboxypeptidases. Brunner's gland is present in submucosa of stomach and secretes pepsinogen. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So the correct answer is option D. Brunner's gland. Right, it's a submucosal gland but is present in submucosa of small intestine, duodenum, and is not present in stomach, and it secretes mucus and not the pepsinogen. Question number 87. F1 generation means first filial generation, first seed generation, first flowering generation, first fertile generation. The correct answer is option A, first filial generation. Question number 78. Addiction to alcohol causes cirrhosis, epilepsy, neurosis, psychosis. The correct answer is option A, cirrhosis. Question number 100. A disease transferred from mother to child through placenta is German measles, syphilis, AIDS, or option D, all of these. Which of the following disease can be transferred from mother to child through placenta? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 84. Which one of the following represents a palindromic sequence in DNA? 4 sequences are given. You have to identify the palindromic sequence. The correct answer is option 4, 5' to 3' GAATTC, and again in the second strand 5' to 3' GAATTC. Question number 68. High value of biochemical oxygen demand BOD indicates that water is highly polluted, water is less polluted, consumption of organic matter in water is higher by the microbes, water is pure. What does high value of BOD indicate? The correct answer is option 1. It indicates that water is highly polluted. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.